Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the canvas size in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, click on create so we can start a new project. You can choose from preset sizes like presentation, social media, poster, and many more. You'll see the exact size, for example, the canvas size, listed under each template. This makes sure that you already know what size you're working with. If you need a specific size, click on Custom Size, enter your width and your height. You can choose the units from pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. For example, you can set it to 15 by 20 inches. Click on Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas using your custom size. Right here, you can now start designing right away. If you already started designing and if you want to change the canvas size again, click on the resize at the top bar to change your current design size. Additionally, you can copy and resize to create a new version. However, if your account doesn't have Canva Pro, you can manually still do this by going back to the creating a new design with the size that you want on the custom size tab. Go back to your original design, select all the elements, copy them, and paste them to the new canvas. Then adjust the layout if needed so everything fits properly. Final tips: always double check your canvas size before download. Make sure it matches the platform or purpose like social media, printing, or presentations. This helps avoid blurry designs or incorrect formatting. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials with tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.